Hello everyone, I'm Vinicius Ferreira, and in today's video, I want to share with you a simple and under-the-radar airdrop, which can be done directly on Telegram. This airdrop is a partnership between Nabox wallet and Alpacamoney, offering over 10 billion Nabox tokens as rewards. This is a medium-term airdrop and is already underway, meaning you can still start earning points for free. Additionally, although it's an ongoing airdrop with rewards throughout the period, there will be other airdrops from partners in Dynamics that can earn you extra tokens. In fact, the SwissX token airdrop from the Swiss blockchain platform has already occurred. In the official announcement on Nabox Wallet's Medium, they explained that they are distributing 10 billion Nabox tokens. If these tokens get close to their historical high value, this would be equivalent to around $3 million, although they are currently valued at about $50,000. Keep in mind that there will be intermediate rewards during the airdrop, besides the final distribution. The purpose of this airdrop is to expand the communities of Nabox Wallet, Alpacamoney, and other smaller partners. To participate, you need to accumulate grass points in the minigame on Telegram, which will determine your share of the prize. The more points you have compared to other users, the bigger your reward will be. If you want to know more, I'll leave the link to this article below in the description. Now, let's learn how to start the minigame to participate. The game is quite simple and allows you to accumulate points through various tasks. To start, you just need to have Telegram, click the link I'll leave in the description, and log into the bot by clicking play. Inside the minigame, there are various ways to score points and earn these yellow coins. That are the grass coin points, such as daily tasks, where once a day you can perform simple tasks, like daily check-ins and sending red envelopes. This is a type of airdrop you send to friends or communities to earn points. Normal tasks, these are mainly social activities, like following on Twitter, joining Alpacamoney's Telegram and Discord channels, inviting friends, retweeting something, or participating in other partner games. It's important to note that all of these tasks are optional, but those who complete them will earn extra points. Completing tasks is straightforward. Just click on the task, join the required channel, in this example, Telegram, go back to the Alpacamoney bot and click the verify button. In just a few seconds, the task is completed. Besides tasks, there's a fun mini-game where you combine coins to earn points. To play, simply click the game button and then hit play. The concept of the game is simple and practical. Combine as many coins as possible. Each time two matching coins combine, you earn more points that are the grass coins. The challenge is not letting the game space fill up while you combine the coins, as the game ends if that happens. To keep playing, pay attention to your energy level. The more you play, the more energy you consume. Your energy regenerates at a rate of 1 per hour. Also, keep an eye on that red envelope. If it's vibrating, congratulations. Just click it to gain more coins and points. By clicking the activity button, you can find additional activities and other airdrops, like the Swiss blockchain airdrop. You can also access the friends menu to invite your friends and earn points when you do so. As mentioned before, another way to earn points is through red envelopes. Here, you can receive or give prizes to friends or communities. To participate, you need to create a wallet in the Alpacamoney bot, where the reward tokens will be stored. When you give rewards via a red envelope, you earn extra points for this task. In this case, 35,000 points. Sending a red envelope is very simple. Just click on Wallet, click Deposit, choose the amount in currency to be used for the reward, and then click Red Envelope. Ideally, you should create at least 3 envelopes to send to different people. This way, you complete the task and earn all the points. After that, select the currency and the amount. If you prefer, you can also limit the reward to specific Telegram users. Finally, just click the Confirm button to finish. After doing so, a link will be generated for you to share with your friends or community. Everyone who accesses the link will receive the rewards. To give red envelopes, you need to spend some tokens and use them as a reward. But in return, you'll be able to earn many more points. It's important to mention that many companies can also use this function to distribute prizes. Because of this, it's worth keeping an eye on the social networks of Alpacamoney, Nabox Wallet, and NULS on Telegram and X, as you may receive red envelopes from a company. In summary, both the game and the airdrop within it are excellent opportunities to earn tokens in a simple and free way. The link to participate in the minigame, along with all the necessary information, will be in the video description. Don't forget to follow the social networks and keep track of this project's updates, as new opportunities may arise during this airdrop. Finally, we still don't have a confirmed end date for the airdrop, but I believe an update on that will be available soon. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep up with these under-the-radar opportunities, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming news. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon, bye bye.